On the momentous occasion of the 77th Independence Day, the students of St. Vivekanand Millennium School showcased a remarkable and heartfelt performance that left everyone in awe. The youthful energy and dedication exuded by these young talents as they took to the stage were truly inspiring. Their graceful performance was a testament to the values of unity, patriotism, and the rich heritage of our nation. It was not just a mere presentation, it was a celebration of the dreams and the relentless pursuit of excellence that St. Vivekanand Millennium School instills in its students. The teachers and the entire school community were beaming with pride as they witnessed these children shine brightly, reminding us all of the beautiful possibilities that lie ahead. This performance will be etched in our memories as a symbol of hope, unity, and the promise of a glorious tomorrow. The future is indeed in capable hands, as seen in the graceful performance of these incredible kids, and our hearts swell with pride and optimism. Principal Sir's address to the students regarding the freedom fighters of Independence Day. He shared stories of those who stood undeterred in the face of adversity, the visionaries who fought tirelessly for the emancipation of our nation. Principal Sir imparted not just historical knowledge but also instilled in us the values of courage, perseverance, and a deep love for our nation. Through his words, we gained a deeper appreciation for the sacrifices made by Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, and countless others. The students created drawings depicting freedom fighters. This artistic tribute not only celebrated the spirit of freedom but also nurtured a profound sense of patriotism and gratitude within our school community. St. Vivekanand Millennium School wishes you a joyous and triumphant Independence Day, filled with pride, unity, and the promise of a brighter tomorrow.